Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with NTACT and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for the month of January down below so you can grab it. I wanted to go ahead and stuff my sinking funds and a couple letter bucks while I have them available. Let's see how much we're stuffing today. So we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, $95 is what I'm putting into my sinking funds today. The way that I rack up my money for my sinking funds is I complete savings challenges, small savings challenges, some of them a few dollars, some of them a little bit more. And I've been trying to venture out a little bit and save a little bit more. While I have the opportunity to push myself, I want to. There will be slower times. There will be times where we're not seeing as much saving taking place. But in the meantime, I just want to go with however my budget is allowing me to save. And the sinking funds have been fantastic to have available because that means that instead of spending $5 or $10 here or there, going to the store or grabbing a burger or something like that, we're able to actually take the funds, stack it up, go like to eat at a restaurant, not 5-star or whatever, but just like a little restaurant with my kids and I, and we're able to venture out and go catch a movie, things like that. So the saving in smaller increments to build it up has been fantastic for my budget. And I would encourage you, if you're having a hard time saving and you want to save $100, I would say start with smaller savings challenges because it helps quite a bit. Okay, so I know I tried to separate my letter bucks. Yeah, okay, I had 3 letter bucks. And let's set this up here. I didn't work out a budget. I did have an idea of maybe putting, a few dollars because I put one more envelope into my binder. We'll talk about that in just a moment. All right, so this is actually my Save 2225 in 2025. We're not working on her right now, but we are going to throw in a couple letter bucks. We have K bucks. I think we have 2. Yes. 1 and 2. Okay. And then I have 1 ebook that I'm going to add. And by the way, I still haven't found a D-book. That's the one I was trying to find because I wanted my kiddos' letter books to be the same amount. So I'm still working on that D-book. All right. Adding in this E. Perfect. All right, so we've got the letter bucks taken care of. I'm going to go ahead and move her off to the side here, and then we will work on our sinking funds. Some of the envelopes still have a little bit of cash, not a lot, but the sinking funds are small little savings for us to do whatever we want to do, or just be able to spend time together. But there are, let's talk about it. So car maintenance, that's not something that I'll be spending like every single week, hopefully, God willing. So I'm going to try to stack that up a little bit at a time. And then also my safety net. That's not something that I'll be grabbing towards every day. This is something that if I miss work, I'm able to pay myself. If I'm low, if a bill is higher than I thought it was going to be or something like that, then I can grab the money from safety net. And it's basically a little buffer. And then Christmas 2025, I have not started saving for that. I did throw this envelope in here, so when I am ready, I will start putting a little bit to Christmas. I do have some plans to do some Christmas savings challenges and work on focusing specifically on Christmas. Not today, but that is the plan. So we have $92 left here. So let's go ahead and put some money here. My kiddos, let's put $22. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. they've been loving having this money, and those are free. Those of you who have no idea, with my weekly expenses, I was giving them an allowance. I told them whether you get the allowance or not, you still have to do your chores. You still have to help out. If I ask you to do something that is not typically your chore, you still have to do it. Obviously, we are a family. We need to help each other out, right? And I'm not a maid. And if I was, this should be my envelope just for my maid services. So we come together as a family. We take care of our home. That's all there is to it. I would like to implement adding back in an allowance, but in the meantime, this has been working perfectly fine for us to have spending money, you know, for them to do things. So, and then mommy, let's go ahead and add $30. I have been enjoying spending this money. Obviously, I am spending quite a bit. I had a birthday come up that I did not prepare for, and then I also purchased a couple things just for myself. So I'm really glad I have this envelope. I was going back and forth on, you know, whether or not to have a self-care mommy envelope, just because it's. I heard a couple people say how important self-care is, and I understand it. I know it, but applying it is the hard part when you're so used to taking care of other people and doing things for other people. You skip out on taking care of yourself. Car maintenance, let's add $10 here. And now car maintenance has $5, $10, $15, $20, $25. I do want to work on stacking that up. Car maintenance is one of those things that is, it comes swiftly, doesn't it? All right, and home, let's add, what do we have? Let's add $10, $5, $10. You guys, I'm so excited. I redid my bathroom. I did mention before that I wanted my house, my little apartment, to feel like a home. I wanted to have homey vibes. I wanted it to be a space that I enjoyed being in. And it felt like a storage unit / just like open space, and not the vibe of a cozy place you'd want to hang out. So I did redo my bathroom, and it's so awesome. I'm so glad that I decided to take a couple bucks out of here and take care of that, because it was really nice. So we have 5, 10, 15. So I'm not certain if I'm going to work on something else. I do want a rug for my living room, but we're not going to rush it. We're just going to take some time and figure it out. I do need to decide what I'm going to do coming up very soon. My lease is up in May. So, all right, this last $20, we're going to go ahead and put into our safety net. And so we have $20, $40, $60, $80, $100 in our safety net, and that is fantastic. I'd like to see this one growing incredibly if I could. Every time I open this binder to do a cash stuffing, I'd like to at least put $20 in there, but I'm going to do whatever I can, because, you know, that's the best I can do. That's it for now, guys. We've gone ahead and stuffed our letter books as well as our sinking funds, so we are ready to rock and roll. My kiddos did say they wanted to go for sushi, so we'll see how that goes. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.